Title: Gloomy, Finding Light in the Shadows. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word gloomy. Gloomy is an adjective that describes a state or atmosphere filled with darkness, sadness, or a lack of brightness. It's a term that signifies the challenges we may face in life. Pronunciation. Pronouncing gloomy is simple ๊ɡluːmi, with a soft G and a long U sound. Use in a sentence. For example, on a gloomy winter day, the overcast sky and cold weather can sometimes affect our mood, creating a sense of melancholy. Importance. Gloomy moments are a part of life, teaching us resilience and the value of seeking light during darker times. Conclusion. In summary, gloomy is a word that represents the shadows we encounter in life and the potential for finding hope and brightness. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, remember that even in gloomy times, there's an opportunity to discover moments of light and positivity.